how to fix Elementor error 500. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here. I'll hover over my website and then I'll click on Open WordPress Dashboard. Now, what we want to do here is we want to hover over Plugins and then select Add New Plugin. Now we're going to search the plugins for WordPress Optimize. And we want to install this first plugin that shows up. Click on Install now. Give it some time to install. I'll come back in a second once this is finished installing. So once it has been installed, we'll click on Activate and it should be activated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to refresh this page. Now once the page has been refreshed, you will be able to see WordPress Optimize. Hover over it and then go to Database. Now here you will see a list of all of the different optimizations, and you can either run them separately, one by one, see if that fixes the issue for you, or you can run all selected optimizations at once. Click on here, run all selected optimizations at once, and this should resolve error 500 on your Elementor website. I hope this helps you out. If it still doesn't work, you can check all of these other options as well, and then this should fix the issue. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.